How to accept a Temu invitation. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can accept a Temu invitation, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe one of your friends send you a link via any of the social media apps, and that is the link of Temu and it is an invitation link. And to accept a Temu invitation, all you have to do is just tap or click on the link provided by the event organizers. So if it's a special event from the Temu app themselves, you can simply go ahead and accept that invitation by tapping the link. And you can also accept Temu invitations from both your desktop and mobile devices. And after you accept the invitation, you will be automatically added to the event group, and then you can also reply the invite to just learn more about it. So it's basically that's as simple as that. You don't really need to do anything, because that's all you need to actually go ahead and then accept your invitation on Temu. This way you can accept invitation on Temu. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.